Hi, I'm Annette and welcome to Kitchen Garden Farmhouse. Thank you for stopping by today. I have some good news to share with you, so please come along. I am very excited and pleased to share this good news with you. As you know, we all have been working very hard to meet YouTube's qualifications of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours to qualify for the Partners program to be monetized. Well, as of yesterday, I needed another 182 watch hours. The day before, we had met the qualifications of 1,000 subscribers. And so I'm so thankful and grateful for each and every one of you and what you all have done to help me to reach this goal. So somewhere through the night, the 182 watch hours came through, because when I got up this morning and checked my YouTube account, there it was, the box that said apply now. So I hit the subscribe button to apply for the Partners program, and I want to personally thank you for every view, every watch hour, every comment, every like, and every share, and every prayer. Thank you so much. I would not have been able to do it without you. And I thank our Lord Jesus Christ for adding His blessings to make it all come together. So from here, a new chapter begins in my YouTube journey. Currently, I'm still making videos about devotionals, gardening, Mama's life stories, and also kitchen recipes and kitchen tips. What videos interest you the most? Please leave me a comment below. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up some video clips, just a few of them, of memories of last year, 2023. My YouTube channel, Kitchen Garden Farmhouse, launched January the 16th, 2023. In memory of this first year, I hope you enjoy these few video clips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how to create a beautiful, bountiful, and functional potager kitchen garden, step by step, coming up. Okay, so now we have just finished the outer perimeter all the way around, except for this section here, so we can get the tractor in and out. Now I'm working on the inner perimeter, which this right here is forming our border on the inside, which I would be planting flowers and maybe some blueberry bushes and things like that. Okay, so now we have finished the inner perimeter, and this now has created our border, with exception a little bit on the side here. We're still bringing bricks in and out, these concrete pavers here to create our beds on the inner part here. Okay, so this is another day in this kitchen garden. We are moving forward, getting a lot accomplished, and today is step 7 on phase 5. This will conclude phase 5. All right, so yesterday we put this compost pile together. Today is our first day in looking at it to see what's going on with the heat generation. And as the microbes begin to reproduce, it begins to generate heat. Well, we're over here in the strawberry patch, ready to do our first picking. Back in the day, they would say scrap it. It's time to scrap the strawberries.
Hello, welcome to this kitchen garden. I'm Paul, and we're going to be building a 10-foot trellis for the blackberry plants. And I'm going to go over all the individual components that we're going to use, and I'm going to start with a U-post because it is pre-drilled. I've put a couple of the eyes already in it. They're 1/4 inch, and locked them into place. So the bed is 36 inches wide, and so 18 inches from either side gives me my hole for my U-post.
I have in my hand a North Georgia candy roaster. It's in the squash family. It's sweet, delicious, and very versatile. Okay, so we're back at the compost pile today. Today is day number 4 of it heating up. So we tried to lift it up, one on one side and one on the other, and that didn't work. It's just too heavy and compact. So Paul had to unhook it on the side where it was enclosed together, And once you do that, just simply little by little, just bring it off the pile. So the first thing is to recheck the pH of our soil. Now, I had my soil tested professionally at the Gainesville University of Florida. In this video, we're going to show you a way that you can grow a productive garden to have life-sustaining food, but at the same time have a beautiful layout that you can have entertainment, pleasure, and relaxation throughout the seasons. Now, another name you may hear for kitchen garden is potager. Potager is a French word that means kitchen garden, and it literally means for the soup pot. It has been 24 hours since our hyacinth bean vine has been soaking, so let's get them planted. When you are chitting or pre-sprouting your potatoes, it's a good idea to put them somewhere where it's cool, exposed to some kind of light, maybe like from a windowsill, but not outside in direct sunlight. I was trying the bag method. I did not like it. I did not find it to be that user-friendly. I did not like the way it was coming out. So I went to town to a beauty supply store and got an applicator bottle, and it is the only edible fruit-bearing orchid species in the world. Good. All that deliciousness makes you want to plant some potatoes. Okay, so I'm back for an update on the gourmet blend lettuce. Today's February the 19th. They are behind in getting transplanted. So they are ready to go, where we help you to have a productive and beautiful garden, growing food for your everyday use in your kitchen. It takes about 100 days for candy roasters to come to harvest. First row is finished now. We got the furrow made. Now I'm working on the second row. We're going to have several rows. Our row spacing from center to center is going to be 33 inches. I started this compost December of last year, around the middle of the month. This is now March. This is a hot compost pile. We just gotta make some more. In the cut and come method, we're going to cut the lettuce and it's gonna come back again. I'm still trying to determine if the Kennebec is indeterminate or determinate potatoes. At one time, my family and I worked with a tomato farmer in Michigan where we grew and harvested tomatoes for the Campbell Soup Company. Okay, here's one of the sweet potato slips. So what I would recommend, like on something like this, go ahead and remove these outer branches. I am back to give you an update on the North Georgia Candy Roasters. You can see the candy roaster growing here at the back. And just come and sprinkle it along. In healing the corn, we have to do it on both sides. So we got the one side done where we put the fertilizer down. Now it's time to bring the soil up and heal this side. Having different types of coverings on hand ahead of time. This is today's harvest. Stockpiling leaves for months. What a great organic matter and resource for our gardens. If you have received value in this video, please take a moment to subscribe if you have not already. And if you ring that notification bell, you will be notified every time I release a new video. And don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Also, not all sunflowers are yellow. Sunflowers are loved for their huge sunny yellow blooms, but there are also deep red, burnt orange, purple, white, and other colors. I'm going to continue to pick, and I'll bring you back in just a minute.
This is my flower bucket that I keep my flour in. Down through the years, I've always had something to keep my flour in. I used to, years ago, when my children were home, I had a barrel.
Our fourth seed is amaranth. Peanuts is a legume, like beans and lentils, so they have the ability to fix their own nitrogen in the soil. The next thing to do is to consider what type of container will you need to grow your sweet potato slips in. Just a couple potatoes can give you a lot of sweet potato vines, which will go into your sweet potato slips. And so as they continue to grow and they get big enough, when you harvest these, the potatoes in the soil here will continue to form more vines as time goes on. It is time to harvest the corn. Let's get picking. Further ado, let's get started. This is going to be fun and exciting. All these special seeds that we have for the month of June. Water your plants properly and efficiently.
John Purley
Wait a
Ford.
minute, Mama. Go ahead.
John Purley Ford was my great-great-grandpa.
And Dr. John Purdy Ford was my great-great-great-grandpa.
And he was my great-great-great-great-grandpa. And he's my great-great-great-great-great-grandpa.
Now God has given me an awesome opportunity to share this book with you. I am so grateful for you and the privilege to write Power to Jumpstart Your Life. Love and blessings, Annette. Thank you for watching, and if you have not subscribed already, please take a moment to subscribe. Leaving a like, comment, and share will help the channel to grow. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video.